Hello everyone and welcome back to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice listen and repeat. Real English Practice. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want to train listening, pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and confidence at the same time. Listen and repeat practice is simple, but it is powerful. You hear a sentence, you pause, you repeat it. Then you say it again with a little more confidence. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Now get ready to listen, repeat, and speak real English. When you listen and repeat, you are not only copying words, you are training your ears to hear English sounds, and you are training your mouth to produce those sounds. Many learners understand words when they read them, but they cannot say them quickly in conversation. This happens because reading and speaking are different skills. Reading uses the eyes. Speaking uses the mouth, breath, voice, memory, and confidence. Listen and repeat practice connects all of these skills. It helps English move from the page into your voice. The first rule is simple. Do not rush. If you repeat too fast, you may copy the sentence badly. Slow practice is better. Listen carefully first. Notice the words. Notice the stress. Notice the pause, then repeat in a calm voice. If the sentence is long, break it into small parts. For example, I want to speak English with more confidence. Break it like this. I want to speak English with more confidence. Then say the whole sentence again. I want to speak English with more confidence. The second rule is repeat more than once. One repetition is not enough. Your mouth needs practice. Repeat each sentence 3 times. First, repeat slowly. Second, repeat naturally. Third, repeat with confidence. Let us try one. I am learning English every day. Repeat slowly. I am learning English every day. Repeat naturally. I am learning English every day. Repeat with confidence. I am learning English every day. This 3-time method builds control. Control means you can choose your speed and your voice. The third rule is understand the meaning. Do not repeat like a robot. If you say a sentence without meaning, it may not stay in your memory. When you repeat, think about the idea. If you say, I need more time, imagine a real situation. Maybe you have a task. Maybe someone is waiting. Maybe you need more minutes. Meaning makes the sentence real. Real sentences are easier to remember and easier to use later in conversation. Now let us begin with simple greeting sentences. Listen and repeat. Hello, how are you? I am doing well, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again. How is your day going? My day is going well. I am a little tired, but I am okay. These greetings are common in real life. Use a friendly voice. Do not speak too quickly. A greeting is often the first sound someone hears from you, so make it clear and warm. Now let us practice introduction sentences. Listen and repeat. My name is Emma. I am from a small city. I am learning English. I work and study every day. In my free time, I like walking. My goal is to speak English clearly. I am still learning, but I am improving. These sentences help you talk about yourself. You can change the details. My name is your name. I am from your place. My goal is your goal. Now let us practice asking for help. Listen and repeat. Could you help me, please? I need help with this. I have a question. I do not understand this part. Could you explain it again? Could you give me an example? Thank you for your help. These sentences are important because learners need questions. Asking for help is not weakness. It is smart communication. When you know these sentences, you do not have to stay silent. You can ask clearly and politely. Now let us practice asking for repetition. Listen and repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again? I did not hear you clearly. I am sorry. I missed that. Could you speak more slowly? Let me listen again. Let me try again. These are rescue sentences. Rescue means help in a difficult moment. When English feels fast, use a rescue sentence. Do not panic. Ask again. A confident learner is not someone who understands everything. A confident learner knows how to continue. Now let us practice daily routine sentences. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I drink tea. I go to work. I study English at night. I go to bed early. These sentences are easy because they are connected to daily actions. Practice them while doing the actions. In the morning, say, I wash my face. At night, say, I go to bed early. Real actions help memory. Now let us practice home sentences. Listen and repeat. I am at home. I am in my room. My phone is on the table. I am looking for my keys. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking dinner. I am washing the dishes. I need to rest. My home is quiet tonight. These sentences describe simple places and actions. Your home can become your English practice place. You do not need a classroom. You need attention, repetition, and a little time. Now let us practice food sentences. Listen and repeat. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I want some water. I would like tea, please. I am making breakfast. I had rice for lunch. This food is delicious. I am full now. I need to cook dinner. Food English is very useful because everyone eats. You can practice it every day. Add details. I am hungry because I did not eat breakfast. I would like tea because I feel cold. Now let us practice shopping sentences. Listen and repeat. How much is this? I am looking for a notebook. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try it on? Can I pay by card? Could I get a receipt, please? I am just looking, thank you. This is too expensive. Shopping sentences need to be short and clear. In real shops, you do not need long English. You need useful questions and polite answers. Now let us practice restaurant sentences. Listen and repeat. Table for two, please. Could I see the menu? I would like water, please. I would like this one. What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Can I have the bill, please? The food was very good. Thank you. Practice these sentences slowly. Imagine you are in a restaurant. A real picture in your mind helps your mouth remember the words. This is not only repetition. This is real-life practice. Now let us practice travel and direction sentences. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Which bus goes downtown? I need one ticket, please. I think I am lost. Could you help me? Travel English can feel stressful, but simple sentences can help. Start with excuse me. Ask one question. Listen. If you do not understand, ask again. Now let us practice work sentences. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Do you have a minute? I have a quick question. I am working on this task. I need more time. I will finish it today. Could you check this, please? Thank you for your help. I will send it soon. These sentences are useful at work, online, or in any professional situation. Professional English does not always mean difficult English. It means clear, polite, and organized English. Now let us practice study sentences. Listen and repeat. I am studying English. I need more practice. I learned 3 new words today. I want to improve my speaking. I want to understand conversations. I study a little every day. I repeat useful sentences. I record my voice. I review my mistakes. These sentences help you talk about your learning journey. Journey means the path of learning over time. Your English journey grows with small practice. Now let us practice feelings. Listen and repeat. I feel happy today. I feel tired today. I feel nervous, but I will try. I feel proud of myself. I feel confused about this sentence. I feel calm when I speak slowly. I need a break. I need more time. Feelings are part of real communication. Do not say only fine every time. Share one simple feeling. I am tired, but okay. I am nervous, but ready. This sounds natural and honest. Now, let us practice problem sentences. Listen and repeat. I have a problem. It is not working. My phone is not charging. The internet is slow. I lost my keys. I forgot my password. I think there is a mistake. Could you help me fix this? I need more information. These sentences are practical. When something goes wrong, simple English is powerful. Say the main problem first. Then add one detail. Clear problem sentences help people help you. Now let us practice apology and repair sentences. Listen and repeat. I am sorry. I am sorry I am late. I am sorry for the mistake. I said the wrong word. Let me say that again. I did not mean that. I will be more careful. Thank you for understanding. That is okay. No problem. Repair language helps conversations continue. Mistakes happen. Good speakers do not stop forever. They repair, repeat, and continue. Now let us practice opinion sentences. Listen and repeat. I think this is useful. I think this is important. I agree with you. I am not sure I agree. I prefer this one. I like this idea. I do not like this plan. That makes sense. In my opinion, practice is necessary. Opinions help you join conversations. Add because to make your answer stronger. I like this idea because it is simple. I prefer this one because it is cheaper. Now let us practice future sentences. Listen and repeat. I am going to study tonight. I am going to practice tomorrow. I will call you later. I will try again. I want to speak better. I want to improve my listening. My goal is to speak with confidence. I hope to travel one day. I will not give up. Future sentences help you talk about plans, hopes, and goals. Say them with energy, but not too fast. Now, let us practice confident sentences. Listen and repeat. I can speak slowly. I can use simple words. I do not need perfect English. I need clear English. I can make mistakes and continue. My English is improving. My speaking is getting better. I am learning little by little. I am proud of my progress. These sentences are for your mind. Your mind needs kind English. When you feel nervous, repeat these sentences softly. Now let us practice a short real-life paragraph. Listen first. Today I woke up early. I made tea and ate breakfast. Then I went to work. I had a busy day, but I finished my tasks. In the evening, I came home and studied English. I repeated useful sentences and recorded my voice. Now I feel tired, but proud. This paragraph is simple but complete. It talks about morning, work, evening, study, and feelings. Now repeat it in chunks. Today I woke up early. I made tea and ate breakfast. Then I went to work. I had a busy day, but I finished my tasks. In the evening, I came home and studied English. I repeated useful sentences and recorded my voice. Now I feel tired, but proud. Chunk means a small part. When you repeat chunks, long speaking becomes easier. After chunks, try the whole paragraph again. This is strong speaking training. Now let us practice changing sentences. Start with, I need help. Change it, I need more time. I need practice. I need a break. Start with, I want tea. Change it, I want water. I want to study. I want to speak better. Start with, I feel tired. Change it, I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel proud. This method is powerful. One sentence pattern creates many sentences. When patterns become familiar, speaking becomes faster. Now imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel listens to English every day, but he does not repeat much. He understands lessons, but when he speaks, his mouth feels slow. One day, he decides to use listen and repeat practice for 10 minutes every morning. He chooses 5 sentences. I am learning English. I need more practice. Could you repeat that, please? I can speak slowly. My English is improving. He repeats each sentence 3 times. At first, Daniel feels strange. He thinks, why am I saying the same sentence again and again? But after a few days, he notices something. The sentences come faster. His pronunciation becomes clearer. He does not need to think so much. When someone speaks to him, he recognizes phrases more easily. When he wants to answer, his mouth remembers the sentence. Daniel understands that repetition builds automatic language. Automatic means it comes out without too much thinking. One morning, Daniel goes to a shop. The worker says, "Can I help you?" Daniel feels nervous, but he remembers his practice. He says, "Yes, I am looking for a notebook." Then he asks, How much is this? The worker answers. Daniel says, I will take it. Can I pay by card? This is a short conversation, but Daniel feels proud. He used sentences that he practiced at home. Listen and repeat became real communication. After 1 month, Daniel has a daily routine. Monday, he repeats greetings and introductions. Tuesday, he repeats shopping sentences. Wednesday, he repeats work sentences. Thursday, he repeats feelings. Friday, he repeats problems and solutions. Saturday, he records a 1-minute story. Sunday, he reviews everything. His English is still simple, but it is stronger. He speaks more calmly. He understands more phrases. He feels less afraid of mistakes. You can practice like Daniel. Choose 10 sentences from this lesson. Write them in your notebook. Listen to them if you can. Repeat each sentence 3 times. Then change 1 word and make a new sentence. After that, record your voice. Listen once. Do not judge yourself harshly. Harshly means too critically. Choose 1 small thing to improve. Maybe slow down. Maybe pronounce 1 word more clearly. Maybe add better pauses. Then practice again. Let us build your listen and repeat routine. Step 1. Choose 5 useful sentences. Step 2. Listen carefully. Step 3. Repeat slowly. Step 4. Repeat naturally. Step 5. Repeat with confidence. Step 6. Change 1 word. Step 7. Make 1 new sentence. Step 8. Use 1 sentence in real life if possible. This routine is simple, but effective. Effective means it works well. Do it every day for 1 week and you will feel a difference. Now let us practice common questions and answers. Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is Emma. Where are you from? I am from a small city. What do you do? I am learning English. How are you today? I am good but a little tired. Why are you learning English? I am learning English because I want to speak with confidence. These question and answer pairs are very useful. Practice both sides. Ask and answer. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. What sentence do you want to repeat today? What sentence helps you ask for help? What sentence helps you when you do not understand? What sentence gives you confidence? What sentence can you use in a shop? What sentence can you use at work? What sentence can you say before sleep? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply. I can speak slowly. Could you repeat that, please? My English is improving. One more helpful practice is shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak almost at the same time as the speaker. For beginners, do not start too fast. First, listen. Second, repeat after the speaker. Third, try to speak with the speaker. Use very short sentences. I am ready. I can try. I need help. I feel proud. Shadowing helps rhythm, but it can be difficult. Use it only after normal listen and repeat practice. Accuracy first, speed later. You can also practice with a mirror. Look at your face, speak 1 sentence, and notice your mouth. Say, I can speak clearly. Then smile a little and say it again. This small practice builds comfort. Comfort means your body feels less afraid. When your body feels relaxed, your English voice becomes steadier, softer, and more natural during daily speaking practice today. Remember, listen and repeat practice is not boring if you use real sentences. Do not repeat random words only. Repeat sentences you can use today. Repeat greetings, questions, requests, feelings, problems, plans, and confidence sentences. Connect each sentence to a real situation. Say it slowly, naturally, and confidently. Your mouth needs training just like your ears. The more you repeat useful English, the easier real speaking becomes. Before we finish, remember this. Listen and repeat is one of the best ways to build speaking confidence. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. Repeat naturally. Repeat with confidence. Break long sentences into chunks. Change words to make new sentences. Record your voice. Use real-life sentences. Thank you for listening to Real English Practice. I am Emma, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep using real English. Your English voice is growing, one sentence, one repetition, and one confident conversation at a time.